Kenmore DU2012 Bagless Upright Vacuum. Remove pet hair, dirt and more with this multi-floor, multi-surface design vacuum for use in your home, den, or kitchen with a wide sweeper path. Enhanced HEPA filter system traps 99.7% of dirt, trapping dirt inside the vacuum, reducing pollutants in the room. 2-motor system excels in suction power. Suction control provides optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency for any surface. Allows you to change the vacuum cleaner suction for different fabric and carpet weight. Lightweight at under 14 pounds. This lightweight design, with swivel steering, is easy to maneuver. Removes ground and dirt from carpets and powerfully cleans hard floor, stairs,